Well, let's take a look at our satellite and radar. We'll start with that here. We are seeing a pretty big warm pocket here in the valley, so no snow showers for many spots here. Those are mostly staying up in elevation out towards the Coast Range and then towards the Cascades. So Portland right now mainly looking at some rain showers. Closer view here, there are some spotty areas that I'm curious about here, maybe up in elevation that are seeing temperatures near freezing, dropping some snow showers, but likely no accumulation this morning. Roadways are damp or they're wet and bare of any snow at this point. So driving out there, not bad this morning. Do grab the rain jacket out the door. We still expect some rain showers going into today here in the valley. Upper 30s in Portland now. Notice how many spots here above freezing. So just that warm south air advecting up the valley here, keeping us above freezing. Towards the coast even, we're in the low 40s there. Seeing some rain showers towards the central coast, the rest of the region fairly cloudy at this point in time. So up in the mountains, we'll still be watching this area going into today. Winter storm warning in place until the evening time for some snowfall up and over the passes, the Cascade foothills, even down to about 1,500 feet. Could see some significant snow. That's mostly out in Lane and Lynn counties, just east of Eugene. Again, those foothills could see some snow closer to about a foot of new snow going into today. Looking at central Oregon, out towards Bend, maybe 2 to 5 inches of snow for today. So many portions of Oregon will be cold enough and see enough moisture to get some snow. But in Portland through the afternoon, I don't think we'll see just that. We're just a little too warm going into our afternoon. And currently, again, temperatures are well above freezing. There's Willamette Pass. You can see snowfall has been falling. Same for Government Camp. And even over the weekend, we saw quite a bit of snow there. And Mount Hood Meadows had to close down their lifts on Saturday. So moving forward into the week here, we are expecting another round of significant snow as a larger storm come Wednesday brings that snowfall. At least 2 feet of snow at this point in time of the week is what we're expecting as we head our way into Friday. So we'll see more travel trouble, some travel headaches up towards Government Camp and our other local passes, and that heavy snowfall really helping out our snowpack at this point in the year. About a couple weeks ago, we were at 25% normal. Now we're at about 65% normal, which is much improvement there. So moving forward, timing of this snow in Portland, I still think we see a slight chance for that going into tonight. We'll see cold enough temperatures. The question is, do we see the right precipitation working in? So tonight through Tuesday morning, I think we'll drop to near freezing for more spots here in the valley. So we could see some light snowfall there. Then again on Wednesday evening. So valley snow going with a possible chance tonight again. Then Wednesday, mountain snow will continue. Same for out towards the Coast Range too, as snow levels stay fairly cold. So what we're watching is in the upper levels here, and we see that Arctic front working down finally. So going into our evening hours into Tuesday, those purples, those pinks, that is really cold air that finally works in and could set up the potential for some snow back in Portland. Then again on Wednesday, that pocket of cold air scoots more towards the east. We see that strong gradient, that east wind that may flow that cold air back into Portland. So we will be watching a Wednesday for more widespread snow moving forward. Our FUTURECAST again keeps things wet for today. There's a system that works in. Notice how the Coast Range will see some snow up in elevation here. Eugene likely getting all rain, heavy snow for the Cascades there. And in Portland, again, we're watching out for those colder temperatures and those snow showers. So by tomorrow morning, we could see some snow showers at times, and that may continue until we reach above freezing again, which could take until about noon or later tomorrow. So we'll be tracking snowfall going into this evening time into Tuesday. How much snow? Models are really not showing much, just a dusting through Tuesday morning. So we'll be tracking that. This is just one model. Some models are pointing to a little bit more snow. So we'll be tracking these moving into the afternoon today. And we'll also be on social media chatting about this all day. Natasha will be back here going into tonight. Moving forward, check out how much snow we're expecting out towards Bend. 9 inches, Government Camp maybe 16 inches by the end of the week. So lots of snow here on the way. Going into today, though, our day planner, light rain showers continue. Highs today around 40 degrees. So our 7-day forecast, look out for tonight. Keep your eyes and ears on the forecast for potential snow showers going into Tuesday morning. We'll see lows tonight just near freezing. That's your weather. We'll be right back.
Coming up.